Tomahawk steak with cowboy butter. We're gonna cook this bad boy over charcoal and serve it with a delicious cowboy butter. Tomahawk steak is basically a big ass ribeye steak with a massive bone attached to it. This actual one is about 1 kilo steak, and it'll take us about an hour to cook. Because of the size of this steak, I'm gonna wrap it with a butcher's twine or butcher's string just to keep it a bit more compact and help it cook more evenly. So what we do is just take your butcher's twine or piece of string, and we're gonna wrap it around the steak. And tie it up nice and tight. So there you go. See, it just helps to keep it more compact and will help it to cook more evenly. Because this is such a large piece of meat, you want to have it out of the fridge for at least an hour before you cook it, just to help it to bring it up to room temperature. So to season the steak, just salt and pepper. This is fine sea salt. You want to make sure you season it from all sides, including the edges. And black pepper. Pat it down so make sure it sticks a little bit better. We're gonna cook it for about 35 to 40 minutes probably on the cooler side. Keep flipping it every 10 minutes or so. And then in the end, we'll sear it on the hot side. So as I mentioned, we got our hot side, we got our cooler side. So we'll cook the steak on here and then finish it off on this side here. So just rub all that last seasoning up. So we put it on now, and we're gonna go ahead and close the barbecue. Let it cook for about 10 minutes, then we come back to it and start turning it. While that's cooking, we go ahead and prepare our cowboy butter. Very few ingredients actually. So we got our unsalted butter, garlic, thyme, salt, pepper, lemon. We got chili flakes, smoked paprika and cayenne pepper, and a little bit of parsley. That's all. So you can either melt the butter. I'm just gonna let it soften outside because it's about 30 degrees today, so it won't take that long. So let's start with the thyme. It's about few strings of thyme. I'll just run the knife through and chop it a little bit finer. About a small handful of parsley. garlic. This is four cloves of garlic. And I'll add a pinch of salt. This will just help to break down the garlic. I reckon that will do. Then we add, this is about half a teaspoon of chili flakes, smoked paprika, and cayenne pepper. So we add those in. And lemon zest. Enough of 1 lemon. To be honest, we could have used the microplane for the garlic as well. And lemon juice of about half a lemon. We start with the half, and then if we want, we can always add more. And I almost forgot chives. Let me go get a few, because I got some in my garden. Hoo-hoo, straight from the garden. How about that? So of these. Beautiful. Chives in. And to finish it off, I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. First 10 minutes have gone by, so let's turn the steak over. That was not meant to happen. Let's see. Change the spot. See you back in 10 minutes. 30 minutes in. Let's turn it for the final time. As you can see, I moved it slightly closer to the coal because it's just not enough heat all the way back here. Give it another 10 minutes. I think I said we're gonna sear it straight away, which is actually wrong. I don't know why I said that, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna rest the steak first and then we'll sear it just before we serve. It's looking good, it's looking good. So it's been 40 minutes now. What we're gonna do is rest the steak for about 10 to 15 minutes. Keep it somewhere warm, like up here, which is an ideal place for it to rest, and then we'll sear it just before we are ready to serve. Right, it's been about 15 minutes, so it's time to sear the steak. look at it. Place it on the hottest part of your grill. We'll do about 2 minutes on each side. This is basically called a reverse sear, which is we cook the steak first, rest it, and then we sear it just before we are gonna plate it up or serve it. If you were to do this indoors, you would cook it in the oven for about 120 for about 40 minutes, 110, 120. Rest it, and then you get your skillet or cast iron and just crank it up on the max and sear it just before you're ready to serve. Look at that crust. That is beautiful. And just before we finish, I want to get the edges just a little bit. Okay. Not a lot, just a few seconds. And we are done. That is a beautiful, beautiful piece of steak. If you can't tell, I am so excited for this. Remove the string. That is beautiful. Tomahawk steak with cowboy butter. It's deep in there, dipping in there. Wow. That's incredible. And the butter, amazing combination. Beautiful medium rare. Guys, if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and leave a comment down below. I'll see you next time.